Building an amazing mini house with real materials is a fascinating construction project that demonstrates real building techniques on a small scale. Even though the house is miniature, the process closely follows the steps used in full-size construction. The project begins with planning the design of the mini house. A simple and clear design helps make the construction process easier. Builders first choose a suitable location for the project. The ground should be flat and stable to support the structure. The construction area is cleaned by removing grass, stones, and debris. A clean site allows accurate and efficient work. After preparing the site, the layout of the mini house is marked. Measuring tools help ensure precise dimensions. Wooden sticks and string lines outline the shape of the house. This step is known as setting out the structure. Once the layout is complete, foundation work begins. A shallow trench is dug along the outline of the house. The trench will hold the foundation base. The bottom of the trench is leveled carefully. A compact base improves the strength of the foundation. Gravel may be added to improve drainage. Builders prepare a concrete mixture. The mixture usually includes cement, sand, gravel, and water. These materials are mixed thoroughly to create concrete. The concrete mixture is poured into the trench. Builders spread and level the concrete carefully. This base layer forms the foundation of the mini house. The concrete must be allowed to cure properly. Proper curing strengthens the foundation. Once the foundation is ready, wall construction begins. Small bricks or blocks are used to build the walls. Cement mortar is applied between the bricks. The first row of bricks is placed carefully on the foundation. Builders use a level tool to keep the row straight. Straight brick rows ensure structural stability. Mortar bonds the bricks together firmly. The second row of bricks is placed in a staggered pattern.